These are my drawings from 2002 and 2003. They are about cartoons and classical cars. Here there is a technical drawing attempt from 2002. This little toy can throw small balls, and its inspiration was a cartoon, an episode of the new Tom and Jerry show. My purpose was to make a small size of machine that Tom used in this episode. It should have box shape with a controller at the back, a small container at the top of it, and unpredictable shots. These were the main materials I had: one DC motor, one switch, and one battery. So after 20 years, I decided to rebuild it. Here it is. From the outside it looks like a box. It has a small container at the top. The control button is on the back. On the surface there is a propeller that makes the shots. On the other side, the original of the technical drawing is printed. When we look inside, here is the DC motor, the battery and the switch. That's all. Let's see how it works.